Welcome to Donchian Channel Forex Trading. Hi, this is Michael. Today's Wednesday, July 31st, 2013. It's now 3:47 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We're required to have a disclaimer. Please take a moment to review ours. Please also remember that we don't recommend to buy or sell any financial instruments. The U.S. equity markets were mixed again today, with the NASDAQ closing up slightly. The Fed's report didn't do much to cause a major shift in the markets one way or the other. Please note, for the index we will review, we've begun using a bit different charting system. The candles now are hike and ashy candles because they show the trend better. We're using a Ken stochastic. This is a single line showing green for up moves and red for down moves. We're also using the hike and ashy difference indicator to help pinpoint reversals. For the daily review, we monitor two indexes. The first is on the S&P 500. We use the E-mini S&P 500 index futures to do this. The S&P closed down slightly with another spinning top. The small dojis and spinning tops are indicating a potential reversal of trend. Resistance is at 1726 as seen by the light pink oval. Support remains at 1593 as seen by the light green oval. The other index we monitor is for the strength of the US dollar. We use the PowerShares US dollar index to do this. Here's the price chart. The US dollar closed a bit lower with a long-legged doji. The US dollar remains bearish. Support is at 21.75 as seen by the light green oval. And resistance is at 22.94 as seen by the light pink oval. We do our daily analysis after 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We do this because the Forex trading day ends at 5 p.m. The first thing we'll analyze is the ADX. The ADX indicator can be red or green. If it's red, it means there isn't a trend, so we'll put a 0. If it's green and the price is increasing, we'll put a green up arrow. If it's green and the price is decreasing, we'll put a red down arrow. We take the results of the ADX analysis and we calculate the strength for each of the 8 currencies. Our objective is to match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies so that we can find the highest probability Forex pair to trade. A strong currency can range between +1 and +7, and a weak currency can range between -1 and -7. However, in calculating the potential pairs to trade, we only use a strong currency between +3 and +7, and a weak currency between -3 and -7. Today we had 2 strong currencies and 2 weak currencies. This gives us 4 potential pairs to trade. The Aussie dollar yen, the Aussie dollar Swiss franc, the pound Swiss franc, and the pound yen. For open trades, the Aussie dollar yen trade opened overnight and just closed as I was doing this report, so we don't have any open trades. And we didn't place any new orders today. Here's the price chart for the Aussie dollar yen. This is our trade that just closed. It also comes up on the potential pairs to trade today, but I would like to see it consolidate a little bit before we would consider it again. Let's look at the other 3 Forex pairs that came up on the potential pairs to trade. Here's the chart for the Aussie dollar Swiss franc. Because of this movement, we would like to see some consolidation before considering it for a trade. Here's the price chart for the pound Swiss franc. We've had a big price move, but we need some consolidation in order to consider it for a trade. Here's the price chart for the pound yen. We've also had a big price movement, but it's also running smack into the 55-day Donchian channel. Thank you for watching my daily Forex trend review. Please post and share if you have any suggestions, comments, or any questions. If you would like to have more detail on the trading strategy, please go to www.donchiantrader.com and request a free trading guide. My podcasts are now being carried on iTunes. Recently posted is my new podcast, Treat Your Trading Like a Business. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page.